Hello, this is Nick from PlanetReport.net. On the 30th of November, I posted a video showing snow falling here in the UK, and that's early. It doesn't normally snow in November, and it has remained really cold since, and there's been quite a bit of snowfall in certain parts of the country, and it's been minus temperatures in the evenings. And one of the things that I mentioned in the last video was the Gulf Stream, and that keeps Britain a lot warmer than it comes across the Atlantic, and it keeps the British Isles a lot warmer than they would be without it. If it didn't come across and keep us warm, it would be, I think, on our winters would be about 5 Celsius cooler than what they actually are. And the inland areas of the country can get a lot colder because they don't have that warmth from the sea. And the last sort of day has been a really good example of this sort of difference in temperatures. So I'm just going to read out 5 places in the coldest areas of the UK and the 5 hottest places. And you've got to remember, Great Britain, the island, is only, I think, about 600 miles long. So here we go. Pershore was minus 16 Celsius, Bwylth Wells minus 13 Celsius, Shawbury minus 12, Benson minus 11, Stafford minus 11. The UK hotspots, Isles of Scilly 11 Celsius, the Lizard 10 Celsius, Tiree 8 Celsius, Portland 8 Celsius, and Barnstable 7 Celsius. Now, Pershore, Bwylth Wells is in the middle of Wales, but the other 4 places in the coldest areas are all in the Midlands of England, so the furthest you can be from the sea. Now, in contrast, Isles of Scilly, they're a small group of islands off the coast of Cornwall in the southwest corner in the Atlantic. The Lizard is on the tip of Cornwall. Again, that's southwest England. And Tiree is actually quite a few hundred miles north of the coldest places, but it is an island in the Inner Hebrides on the off the west coast of Scotland. So again, it's a sea place, a coastal place. And then Portland is in the English Channel, and then Barnstable is in southwest England as well. So that shows us, quite a big contrast. And I was looking at the temperatures elsewhere around the world at the moment. And if you're looking for a real contrast, how about this? Alice Springs in Australia, which is obviously their summer at the moment, it is 36 Celsius. And in contrast, let's get the temperatures up. Yeah, Yakutsk in Russia is minus 39 Celsius. So that's a difference of over 70 Celsius between the two places. So that is certainly hot and cold. And I was just looking as well that a place recently, because some of the schools here in the UK have closed because Britain's renowned for being hopeless when there's a little bit of snow falls. So a lot of the schools have been closed because of the weather. Now, how about this? Oymyakon in Russia's Sakha Republic of northeastern Siberia, recently the temperature was minus 50 Celsius, and all the children were at school. And they go to school as long as it's not minus 52 degrees Celsius, and that's the children in grades 1 to 5. So they put us lot to shame, I think. Because we complain when it's like minus 5. So, in fact, I couldn't even imagine what minus 50 Celsius is even like. I don't think I particularly want to find out. Okay, so that's just a little bit of weather for today, and thanks for listening. Goodbye.